In this video, I am going to show you how to reduce or lower ping in CS2. So first of all, what you can do is to restart your internet router. You have to turn it off for approximately 60 seconds, then restart it. By doing this, sometimes the ping in CS2 may improve slightly. Secondly, what you can do is to prefer using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. It's always going to provide you better ping in gaming and other daily performance as well. Lastly, what you can do to improve your CSGO ping is to decrease the number of devices which are using the same internet connection as yours, because having more devices will increase the consumption, which will ultimately lead to having higher pings in games. Now, in your game, what you can also try to do is to open up your settings, which is present at the top left corner of your screen during a match. Now, on your settings, you have to select game. In the game section, you will see an option that says acceptable matchmaking ping. So you very simply have to decrease it to approximately 70. Now, it may take longer to enter matches, but it will surely work and decrease your ping, which will improve your game's performance. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.